In this video, I'm going to show you how to show Amazon reviews in Elfsight. Let's get started. To display Amazon reviews on your website, go to your Elfsight dashboard and search for the Amazon Reviews widget. Once you find it, click on it and wait for the editor to load. After the editor opens, choose a template that matches the style of your website. You can preview different layouts and select the one that looks best for how you want your reviews to appear. Next, enter your Amazon store link or the specific product page link where your reviews are located. Click Connect so Elfsight can pull the reviews directly from Amazon and sync them into your widget. Once connected, you can customize how the reviews will look. Adjust the layout, star ratings display, number of reviews shown, and overall design so it fits your website branding. When everything is ready, click Publish. If required, select your plan to activate the widget. After that, copy the generated embed code and paste it into your website where you want the Amazon reviews to appear. That's how you can show Amazon reviews in Elfsight. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.